Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I want to show you how to get to Power BI. Right now, you'll see that these little dots here, it shows I'm in Word. I'm in office.com, and when I click on it, I'm going to see Power BI. Now, I see it because I've been in it before. You may not see it, so you may have to scroll down and click on All Apps, and then in kind of alphabetical order, you'll find Power BI, so you can click on it. Now, once you're in Power BI, this is going to look different than what you're seeing because obviously I have other projects and things in here. But I can click on my workspace and you'll see that I have content and data sets. So these are where I've uploaded data sets and this is where I've done my content. So I can click on this and it'll show that I could do all these different things, but I want to upload a file. So I say upload a file. When I upload a file, it's going to show I can do local, OneDrive for Business, SharePoint. I can import different files. Remember you can import even from databases and so on. But right now we're just going to pick a local file. Go find your dashboard practice file. The one that's got all the stuff in it is fine, because that way you've already made it into a table. So then we want to use import. We don't want to do the upload. This will basically look like it's an Excel online, although that's pretty cool too. But we're going to click on import, and we're going to I've already done this once, so I'm going to hit replace. So the file comes in, and essentially this is our database practice ABC Global, and you'll notice we have the little 3 ellipses here. We can click on that, and one of the things we can do is get quick insights, and it might take a few minutes to get insights, or maybe not, since I've actually worked through this before, but we can see them now. So we go to these insights, and you'll notice that they are already in chart form. Like we see trending, we see outliers here. We've got outliers, more trending there. And this is actually a correlation between quantity and ABC Global, which makes sense. Then we see unit prices trending upward for region in the South. So you're going to see there's like 30 of these. And if you want to know more about this, you can read about this on more, that'll tell you how does it work, and some of the terminology and some examples that you can see and so on. So they have all this kind of information in there for you, so you can kind of see how that works. I'll go back to the Power BI, and I'm in this Power BI. It's showing me all these different views, and what I want you to notice is at any point I can actually pin this visual to a report that I have going. So at any point I would be able to do that. Now if I want to go back to my workspace, just know that any of these would give me, through that ellipsis, I can click on these and bring up the insights. So here's an older file data set, and I can click on it, and again I can create insights. I can also use this then to create a report, but that's in the next video. So hopefully this will help you get started and get your file uploaded, and I thank you for listening.